All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, right? Okay. So the market is out of balance. Is downside of a clean break of here. This low right here, right? 82, 83, right? This clean break of this first leg is going to go to 77. 77 is a destination, but the pressure will mount, and then it's going to continue to 69. It's not going to be a straight line. Right? It's not going to be as tough as yesterday that the price got stopped every single point. It's not going to be that much, but still, it's not going to be a straight line. Okay? So that's what we have. Okay. All right. So of course, if the price is going to, remember that we trade what we think. Market is out of balance, so we have to reduce our size, because when the market is out of balance, we all know that the forecast is a little bit less probability. All right, so if we think, right, that the price is going to take the low, sure, taking the breakout, 83, 82, it's okay, but what do you think is going to happen right there? Price is going to be playing with everybody right there, right? So if we think, because we trade what we think. Oh my God, you trade what you think? That's crazy. You're supposed to trade what you see, right? That's what that's what the fake gurus and the fake gurus, those who write books about trading, that's what they tell you. That's not it. It's not true. They don't trade. All right. So 91 is going to begin the pressure, okay? 91 and of course 98. All righty. So price is above 83, and then the bulls, of course, the bulls wants to take it all the way to, where do you think? 800. Where else? Right? Okay, so the short term is the bounce of this swing low right here. So the long shot, we know, is going to encounter resistance beginning 91, 91, 97, 97, 91. It's going to be resistance right here. But the short term, the bulls are in command as long as the price is above 83. Period. However, we are daring. We trade tops, bottoms, and everything in between. And if we think that the longer term is going to be down, then we will not hesitate in shorting our resistances, knowing that we're going again against the strongest force right now, which is the bounce of this 83 bull. That's all there is to it. Alrighty then, so we're long from 9 a.m. here, the 84, right? And we knew that it was going to encounter resistance right here at 91. Momentum takes us to 92. We all know to be sure right here, expecting the forecast, the future, the break of this low right here, which is not going to be easy, I already told you, and then go to where, Mystique? Destination 77, target 169, right?
Yep.
Isn't that what we said at 9 a.m.? But before we went short, we went long, all the way to the first resistance right here, and this is where we take this shot, right? That we knew it before.
Yes.
All right, so think about this. Even if the price, even if 82, 83 end up being way too strong and the price cannot take it, the fact that we took a shot short, 91 quarter, 92, we already make 8 points in 8 minutes, right? And what do you think is going to happen now? The smart is going to play with us this area right here, 82, 92, 10 points, these 10 points right here. What's going to happen next? The open, right? The open in 8 minutes. Oh, and we all know the open in 8 minutes, right? It can destroy the low. We are already prepared because we know exactly where the price is got to continue going. Or it can totally go, take it a little bit, bounce, And we know that if the price is above 82, 83, you do not want to be short because it's going to 800. So we know everything before it happens. And that's the way the cookie crumbles. Let me say that again. So it's a combination, pretty much. It's a combination of trading what you see and trading what you think, right? But you just go ahead and you combine them both together, and because you think, and the reason you think the market is going to do whatever it's going to do is because you've seen it a million times, right? 40 years trading, you've seen it a lot. You know, whatever it is you use, whatever analysis it is you use, you've got to have some legs to back it up. Alrighty, okay. 23, 7 minutes to open. Let me say that again, ladies and gentlemen. This 88, really, 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 really important, right? Market's gonna give us a hard time here, 88. Remember, not only the astute trader needs to know exactly the odds as to what the market's gonna do, but how it's gonna do it. Look at it. Right? Isn't this exactly what I said? We're going to be leaping up and down after the open, etc., etc., etc. Market not only doing what we think, it hasn't done it yet, the odds, but we got to do what we got to do. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right? I told you, it's not going to be on a straight line. Broke it. What do you think is happening right now? The not too aggressive traders, those who took the breakout, what do you think? They went short 82, right? We are short 92 and 91. We're short, right? All the high. So we can. So we are locking right here, of course, a small position, and that's why there is this bounce right here. Those who took the breakout, they're shedding their pants now. What? That's exactly what they're doing. Look, right? Yeah, there you go. So we know the 82, 83 is a swing low. It's a strong. It's not gonna be easy to go to 77 destination. So those who took the breakout, look at that. Then it bounced so much right here at 86, they capitulated. That's right, with a 5-point loss. And that, my friend, is the advantage of being aggressive, right? Even though above 83, the bulls are the ones in control, we don't hesitate in shorting our resistance so that we can have a much, much better, not only risk-reward ratio on our entry, but by the time the price goes to the breakout, it's a fake breakout, we don't care. We're good. Not to mention that remember that this bounce is a trade with the trend, which is long. The main play is long at the low. All right, it's just that we're trading the future. You know what I mean? And that's our edge. If it doesn't work, if it never goes to 77, we already short from 91, right? Look at this, we're already short from 91 all the way to 81. We just made 10 points on the counter, okay? And that's the way that you are profitable every single day, all right? We managed, my friends, to ride our short 90. We managed to ride it all the way to 77. We are pretty good traders. And if we manage to let it ride all the way to 69, we are amazing traders, okay? The entry, razor sharp, the patience that we had to endure during the entire open, the fake breakout, are you kidding me? And we still ride it to 70. Not only we read the market like masters, we have the strength and the conviction and the courage of an extremely successful, powerful operator, and we do it, right? That's amazing. That, my friend, that's not easy to do. I mean, who doesn't, right? 80, right? 80, you know, we are already up 10, 11 point. If you went big size, you're already up a couple grand and before 10 a.m. and you want to get all out. Sure, I mean, you know, I'm not gonna get mad at you if you don't let it right all the way to 77, right? I understand, you know, it's okay, you know, no, you know. However, you're gonna leave a lot of dough on the table many times. Repeat. Remember 88? We do not want 88 taken. Okay? Believe me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna bring the 88. We're gonna the 88. We're gonna bring it up 1 point to 89. Was that you guys adding to a winner? Short 89? Or establishing a new position, sure, 89, because you took those 11 points and you still want to ride it all the way to 77. So you took these 11 points, got the hell all out, waited for the price to go to our resistance, 89. Remember, we moved it up from 88 to 89. You short 89, razor sharp entry. And that's why we had this beautiful drop all the way to 83, 89, 83. How many points is that? That's 6 points in 6 minutes. In 6 minutes. In 6 micro minutes. And the most important thing, we haven't broken structure. We are still in a bearish broadband. Okay, we haven't. I'll tell you if that bearish broadband is broken. Okay. It would have been broken if it clean breaks 89 to the upside. It didn't. We're still there. Alrighty. So the odds are that yes, we're gonna test the 97. Even the teenagers on YouTube know that that's a double top. But the odds are, after break of our 89, that yes, it's gonna go to 800 and a little bit more. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So there has been a change in structure, and the market is going to be looking to go all the way to 806. All right, 800 and a little bit more to 806. Okay, as long as the price is above our 89. When it broke our 89, 89 became support. All right, okay, and we know that we are now in an okay, you know, uptrend, weak as it gets. Why? Because the overall market direction, the future intention of the trend, and the pressure, they're all sideways. All right, so I'm going to say that again. Okay, the same way the dull market didn't go anywhere in a straight line, it's not going to go anywhere in a straight line either. So I would not be surprised at all whatsoever. Price breaking 89, and we know that 89 is now support. So bulls are going long here, 89, right? Expecting to go to 806, and below 89, we don't want to be long anymore. Which long? The low. Remember that this low right here is a swing low. It's very strong, and we were expecting and counting on the price to break it and continue going all the way to 77. It didn't. It only went to 80. So we only made 11 points on the bearish trade. And look at this. And on the bullish trade, 80 to 95, that's 15 points. And the job is to ride it all the way to 97, 800, and finally 806. If it breaks 89, sorry, we have to get the hell out of that long again. All right, that's all there is to it. Phase 7. Oh my God, so early, man. It's not even 11. It is what it is. Go to phase 7. So, ladies and gentlemen, long story short, this is what we're going to have. Day trading is not about trading every day, but the right day. And I've been telling you since 9 a.m. that this is what we were going to have. All right. Of course, sure, we're going to take a shot here and there, but knowing that we're not expecting a follow through. Just like it didn't go to 77, it didn't go. It will go to one of the two. So let's just go ahead and trade what we see. We have no option. Today is a no edge. action. Why? Because we can only trade what we see. There's nothing for us to think. I mean, a little bit, but not high probability. That's all there is to it. All right, so look at this beauty. All right, takes 89, dead cat bounce all the way back to G, 89, right? And look at what happened. Below 89, we all know that below 89, bears are in control. And I told you, it's okay to continue shorting resistances, right? What's resistance? 93, right? Expecting the price to break 89, which we know was support, is back to resistance. Back to resistance, where are we expecting? Someday this year, a continuation to 77. That's it. Above 89, then not anymore. A continuation to 800. That's it. So this is a total scalping, no edge type of trading day. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, so it was worth it to keep on waiting. Look at the time. What time it is? It's 12 noon already. Didn't I tell you that sometimes they wait until this time to make the break? So our shorts are still working. Look at this beautiful, finally, drop. 93, come on, baby. All right, so 80, back to 80. Remember our long 80, of course, that's support, but we still want 77 and 69. Is that going to happen today? Well, after this massive chop, who knows? But the good thing is that we keep on banging the right side.